In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course on Wix, a fantastic platform for building professional and easy to navigate course websites. Whether you're sharing skills, expanding a business, or reaching new audiences, Wix provides a flexible and robust way to deliver an online course tailored to your specific needs. So let's get started. First, head over to Wix.com. If you don't have an account yet, simply sign up with your email or through social media. It's a straightforward process that opens up a world of possibilities. Once you're logged in, locate the Create New Site button and give it a click. Among the various options, select the category Education, Training, or Online Courses. This selection ensures your site is optimized for delivering educational content effectively. Now, it's time to pick a template. Wix offers a variety of templates specifically designed for online courses. Choose one that aligns with your vision and brand. Once you've made your choice, customize it by adding your unique branding elements, including your logo and color scheme. Next, click on Edit Site to access the Wix editor where you can make more detailed adjustments. Once you're satisfied with your initial customization, navigate to the Wix App Market. Here you'll find a multitude of apps that can enhance your course offering. Search for Wix paid plans if you're planning to charge for access, or Wix online programs if you need structured modules. Once you select your desired app, click Add to Site to integrate it with your Wix account. In the app you've added, such as online programs or paid plans, you can begin crafting your course. Create a new course by inputting its name, like Mastering Digital Marketing, and write a detailed description outlining the benefits and learning outcomes. Remember to also add a striking image or banner to capture attention. When your course framework is ready, it's time to add your instructional content. Upload video lessons, PDFs, slides, or any relevant resources that complement the learning experience. Including quizzes or assessments can serve as a helpful evaluation tool if desired. As you upload, make sure to organize these materials into well-structured sections for intuitive navigation. Setting up your pricing and access follows. Decide if students will pay a one-time fee for the course, opt into a subscription plan, or benefit from a tiered membership. Configure access settings so that students can only see enrolled lessons, and consider offering free trial lessons to entice potential enrollees. Offering discount codes or bundles can also attract more signups. Next, incorporating a sign-up or enrollment form is crucial for collecting student information. Connect these forms to Wix's CRM or their email marketing tools, which makes follow-ups easy. Enable automatic confirmation emails to ensure that participants receive confirmations upon completion of registration and payment. Now that your course is established, it's paramount to preview your website. Viewing it on both desktop and mobile ensures a seamless user experience across all devices. Conduct thorough testing of the enrollment process, payment gateways, and content access. Once satisfied with the functionality and aesthetics, click Publish to go live, making your course accessible to eager learners worldwide. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a compelling course at Wix.